Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. How are you, ma? I think you are all safe in your home. Okay, first I convey my wishes to each and every students for your promotions. Yes, you are promoting 3rd to 4th standard. All the best, ma. Okay, now in this class, this is your maths class. Okay, va? Now we are going to see about the 4th standard maths first term. Okay, va? Okay, this is your maths book. In the first term, there are 6 units are there, ma. Okay, the first unit is geometry, the second unit is numbers, third unit is patterns, fourth unit is measurements, fifth unit is time, and sixth unit is information processing. Okay, va? Now in this class, we see about the unit 1 geometry. Okay, va? In this geometry, there are 3 subtopics are there, ma. The first heading is properties of 2D shapes. Okay, va? And the second topic is creating object by combining different 2D shapes. And the third topic is properties of 3D shapes. Nothing, ma. In this geometry, we are going to see about the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, mama. Shall we go to the class, ma? Okay. Now take a page number 1. Okay, unit 1 geometry. Okay, va? 1.1 properties of 2D shapes. Okay, va? Look, let us learn the name of 2D shapes. You already know about the 2D shape, isn't it? No. Now what are the 2D shapes, you know, ma? Yes, that is, now take a page number 2, ma. That is square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle. In your previous class, that means in your previous standard, that is 3rd standard, you learned about this 2D shapes, isn't it? No. Now in this class, we are learn about the properties of 2D shapes. Okay, mama. Now look at the pictures and identify the shapes. Now below giving one pictures, ma. Now observe the pictures, ma. In these pictures, there are many shapes are there. Now we want to identify the shapes. Okay, va? The first one, this is in square in shape, isn't it? No. This photo frame is square in shape. SQUARE, square. Okay, va? And this photo frame is in rectangle shape. Okay, va? So write RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, va? Now this now this is in what? Yes, cylinder in shape. Okay, va? So write cylinder. This is under what? Cylinder is 3D shape. Okay, va? So write CYLINER, cylinder. Okay, va? Now this is in cuboid shape. This 3 also what? Cuboid shape. COBOID, cuboid. Okay, va? Now this balls are, the ball is an example for what? Very good. Sphere, isn't it? No. So this is also what? 3D shapes. And this table is cuboid in shape. Okay, va? Okay, va, ma? And this is what? Yes, this is in cone shape. Okay, va? Okay, ma. Now in this picture, there are many 2D and 3D shapes, isn't it? No, that is square, rectangle, and cuboid, sphere, and cylinder. Okay, va? Now take the second page, ma. Name the following shapes and try to draw them in your notebook. Okay, va? Here, now we want to fill the name of the shapes. Now, first one, what is the name of the shape? Yes, this is square, isn't it? No, because 4 sides are also equal. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sides are equal. So this is square. SQUARE, square. And this is very good, ma. Rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay. Now the third one is, yes, only 3 sides are. 3 sides means triangle. Okay. Then curved surface. Curved surface is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay, va? Now this is what, ma? Yes, this one is half circle. Half means semicircle. Okay, va? S-E-M-I. Semi. C-I-R-C-L-E. Semicircle. Okay, va, ma? Now this is activity. So take the exercise 1.1. Write the name of the shapes in the following pictures. Okay, va? Below they are giving the two pictures, ma. In these pictures we want to find out the name of the shapes. Okay, what were the shapes having here, ma? Yes, circle. Circle. This one, this two. Yes. Circle. So write down the circle first. And second one, this is in square in shape, isn't it? No. So write down the square. And this arrow marks and all rectangle in shape. This is in rectangle in shape. So write down the rectangle. And last one, this arrows in triangle in shape. Okay. So write down the triangle. So in the first picture, there are how many shapes, ma? 4 shapes. Circle, okay, square, rectangle and triangle. Okay, now same like that the second picture. First is what? Square. So this is a square in shape. So write the square and triangle and circle. Okay, va? And this is also triangle in shape, isn't it? No. Okay, one. Then the last one is, this is what? Very good, rectangle. So write the rectangle. Understand, Amma? Okay. Now B. Write the name of the square and triangle in the given picture. Below they are giving 3 pictures, ma. In this picture we want to count the number of squares and number of triangles. First look at this first picture. How many squares are there? How many squares, ma? This is a square, no? So count the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many squares are there? 5. Okay. Then triangle. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 triangles. Okay, same like that. Now we want to count the number of, write the number of rectangles and triangle. Now in second picture we want to count the rectangle and triangle. First they are giving the rectangle. So count the rectangle. How many rectangles are there? Yes, 1, 2. Okay, what? 2 rectangles. This is a square, ma. So leave it. Only 2 rectangles are there. This yellow color and pink color. This is what? Rectangle. And triangle. Only 1 triangles are there. So put 1 here. Now identify the shapes and write the name in the box given below. Okay, well, now we want to identify the shapes. Okay, in the first picture, what shapes having, ma? Very good, triangle. This pink color and all triangle in shape, ah? So write the triangle. Just here asking the name of the shapes only here asking. So write just triangle. Okay, and center. What is the name of the shapes, ma? Count the sides first. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Which shape having 5 sides, ma? Very good. Pentagon. So this is in pentagon in shape. Pentagon. So pentagon. Okay, va? And here, what is the name of the shapes, ma? Yes, 2 triangle. Understand, Amma? Is that clear for you? Okay. First, we are identifying the name of the shapes, and in the second question, we are counting the name of the shapes. Okay va. Now take the page number 4. Draw circle using circular object. What are the circular objects having around us? Very good. Coin, wheel, CD and bangles. Isn't it, Noma? These are the circular in shape. Circular object means what? Yes, this is in round. Okay va. Now how we draw the circle ma? Just place the bangle or a coin or CD. Take any circular object and place in the paper. Okay, and trace around its border. Okay va. So finally we got a circle shape. That's all. Okay, here giving one activity. Let us draw the circle using the pencil and thread. Now we using the pencil and thread means we getting the circle. How means? First mark a point A on a sheet. First take one sheet ma. Okay, take one white paper and middle of the paper keep one dots and mark as A. Okay va. Then fix the thread at the point A. Now take one thread. Okay, at one end fix in a point A. Okay, and the another end of the thread is tie it into at your pencil. Okay va. Then the third step is move the pencil by keeping the thread at A. Okay, point A is a center of the circle. Now finally we got a circle. Okay, this is just an activity. Okay va. Now 1.1.1 draw 2D shapes in free hand with geometric tools. Okay, this is and all example for 2D shapes. Okay va. What are the 2D shapes? We already know, that is square, rectangle. We already know, isn't it? No, there are some more shapes having ma, that is rhombus, trapezium and parallelogram. This is also example for 2D shapes. Okay va. This is square, rhombus, rectangle, trapezium and parallelogram. Now take a page number 5. The first one is quadrilateral. Okay va. The quadrilateral and right side giving one picture, isn't it? No. Okay. Quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral picture ma, and marked in A, B, C, D. Okay. Now look at the first point. All closed four-sided figures are called quadrilateral. Now this is a quadrilateral. Not the quadrilateral having how many sides? This is 1. AB is the first side, and BC is second side. CD is third side. Okay, and DA is fourth side. Side means nothing. Just we considered one line is each and every line considered is one. Each and every line is considered as one side. Okay, mama. Now, how many sides are there? 4 sides, and the 4 sides also closed up. So this is a called quadrilateral. Okay, ma. First, in this, we discuss about the sides. Okay, ma. Now we want to write the name of the sides. The first side is AB. So AB, comma. The second side is BC. So BC, comma. The third side is CD. Okay. So CD, comma. The fourth side is DA, comma. DA. Okay. This is only the name of the sides. Okay. Now we are going to see about the vertexes. Vertexes means nothing ma. A point which meets the two sides. In this point, the two sides also meeting. So this is considered one vertexes. Okay ba? So how many vertexes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertexes means nothing, just a corner. Okay mama? Now how many vertexes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are they? A, B, C, D. So vertexes means A, comma, B comma C comma D. Okay ma? And the last one is we are going to see about the diagonals. Diagonals. You already learned in the before class, isn't it? No. Diagonals means what ma? Okay, what is meant by diagonals? You already learned in your before class. Diagonals means nothing ma, a line joining opposite corner. Okay ma? Now take one vertex ma. Suppose I am taking a vertex A. Okay, what is the opposite of A? C, isn't it? No. So I am joining a and C. So this is considered as one diagonals. Okay ma, a line joining opposite corner. So this is one diagonal. And now I am taking a vertex is B. What is the opposite of B? D. Yeah. So I am joining B and D. And this is another one diagonal. So in this quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there? 1, 2. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Okay ba? And what are they? What are the 2 diagonals ma? The first is A, C. We are joining A, C pointer. So first diagonal is A, C. And second diagonal is B, and we are joining B and D. Yeah. So this is considered as the second diagonal. So B, D. So first diagonal is AC, second diagonal is BD. That's all. This is a quadrilateral. Understood ma? Okay ma? I am once again recalling this. Quadrilateral means nothing. All the 4 sides are closed means that is called, okay. All the 4 sides are also closed. So this is called quadrilateral. Okay ma? This is a quadrilateral picture. Now in this quadrilateral we are discussing about the 3 points. The first one is side, and second one vertexes, and third one is diagonals. And the name of the sides, vertexes and diagonals. Okay va? Sides means what? Just a line. Okay va? How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay va? 4. And what are they? AB, BC, CD, DA. Sides clear. Now vertexes. Vertexes means just a corner. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are they? A, B, C, D. Okay, diagonals means opposite, a line joining opposite corner. Okay, A is opposite to C, isn't it? No. So I am joining A and C, and this is considered as one diagonal. Okay, and the other diagonal is B is opposite of D, isn't it? No. So I am joining B and D, and this is another diagonal. So totally 2 diagonals are there. They are AC, BD. Understood, Amma? Okay. Now next topic is square. This is a square. So now look at your book. At your right corner they are giving a name of the picture. So this is P, Q, R, S. Okay va? Now square having how many sides ma? Sides means I already saying line. Just count the line ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay ba? Now how many sides ma? 4 sides. And the 4 sides are so equally having a. So square have 4 equal sides. This is the first point. Okay ba? Now what are the name of the sides ma? Okay. Now the first side is this. So PQ. First side is PQ, comma. The second side is QR. Third one is RS. Fourth one is SP. Okay ma? There are 4 sides ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sides also equally having. So square has 4 equal sides. Okay ba? So 4 sides also equal. So equal. So PQ equal QR equal RS equal SP. Okay ma? Now the next point is vertexes. So vertexes means corner, isn't it? No. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay ma? 4 vertexes are there. Okay ma? And what are they? P, Q, R, S. So P comma, Q comma, R comma, S. Okay ma? Now, diagonals. Diagonals means I already telling that a line joining opposite corner. First I am taking a point P. What is the opposite of P? R. So I am just joining the P and R, and this is considered as one diagonals. Okay, ma'am. So P R. P R. Now what is the opposite of Q? Yes. Isn't it? No. So I am joining Q and S. Q and S. And this two diagonals also equal in shape, ama? Equally having these two lines and all. So I am putting equal sign. So PR equal to QS. There are two diagonals are there, ma, and two also equal. That's all. Okay, I am once again recalling. This is a square, ma, and square having four vertices, that is P, Q, R, S. Okay, and how many sides? Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are they means? PQ, QR, RS, SP, and 4 also equal in shape. That is equal in size. Okay, va. And next one is diagonal. Diagonal means opposite corner. Okay, va. So how many diagonals are there means 2. That is PR, QS, and this 2 also equal in shape. So PR equal to QS. That's all. And what are the example of square means? Okay, carom board, chess board, and one face of the dice. Okay, va? There are 3 examples, ma. What are the example of square means? Carom board, chess board, one face of the dice. Dice having how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, va? 6 faces, no. So each and every face is the example of square. Understand, amma? That's all. Okay, ma. Now the next shape is rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now in your book they are giving the name W, X, Y, Z. Okay, ma. Now how many sides, ma? Rectangle have how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ma. There are 4 sides. Okay, va? 4 sides, and what are they? First side is WX. So WX. Okay, comma. Second side is XY. XY, comma. YZ. ZW. Okay, va? Now next one is vertexes. Okay, ma. How many vertexes are there? Vertexes means corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertexes are there. What are they? W, X, Y, Z. Okay, ma. But we already see that in square all the 4 sides are equal. Isn't it, no? But in rectangle only opposite sides are equal, no? Okay, mama. That means WX is equal to YZ. This two are equal and this two sides are equal. Okay, wow. Now diagonals. How many diagonals are there? Diagonals means opposite corner. What is opposite of W means? Y. Okay, wow. So I am joining Y. Sorry, WY. Okay, wow. And next, what is the opposite of X? Z. Okay, wow. So I am joining. This is first diagonal and this is second diagonal. Okay, wow. What is the second diagonal? X, Z. And this two are equal in size. So equal. So how many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals, ma. That is WY and XZ, and these two are equal in size. Okay, ma. But in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. What are the opposite sides, ma? What are the opposite sides? WX. WX is opposite to YZ. So these two are equal. Okay, va? And same like that, YX. X, Y is the opposite to W, Z. So these two are equal. Okay, what are the example of rectangle means? Mat and a blackboard. Okay, that's all. Now next shape is rhombus. Okay, this is a rhombus shape and in your book they are giving a name L, M and O. Okay, okay. Now the first one is side. Okay, rhombus having how many sides Just count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 sides and what are they? LM, MN, NO and OL. Okay, there are 4 sides and 4 sides also equally having a. So LM is equal to MN equal to NO equal to OL. 4 sides also equally having. Okay, now vertexes. How many vertexes are there 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what are they? L, M, N, O. Okay, there are 4 vertexes. And diagonals. Diagonals means opposite of a line joining opposite corner, isn't it? No. Now, what is opposite of O? M. So, I am joining O and M. Okay, and this is considered as one diagonal. Okay, what is the first diagonal, O, M. What is the next diagonal? What is the opposite of L? N. So, this is considered as the second diagonal. So, L, N. And these two also equally having a. No. In rhombus, these two diagonals are not equal. Okay, there are 2 diagonals are there What are they? OM and LM, and this is not equal. Not equal in side. Okay, and what is the example of rhombus means? Kite. Okay, kite is the example of rhombus, and tile. Tile also is one of the example of rhombus. Okay, Mama. In rhombus, don't forget that sides are, all the 4 sides are equal, but diagonals not equal. Okay, that's all. Okay, now the next shape is parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Okay, so in your book they are giving a name EFGH. Okay, mama. So first one is sides. In parallelogram, how many sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many sides, 4 sides. And what are they? EF. Okay, EF, FG, GH and HE. Okay, there are 4 sides. Okay. And the next one is vertexes. How many vertexes are there? Vertexes means corner. E, F, G, H. 4 vertexes. There are E, F, G, H. Okay, E, F, G, H. Okay, in the parallelogram there is no diagonals. There is no possible for diagonals. Okay. The next one is in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite sides. Okay, what are the opposite sides having, EF. What is that? What is the opposite to EF? EF is opposite to GH, isn't it? No, this is opposite sides. No. So EF is opposite to GH. Okay. And these 2 sides are equal and parallel. Okay, in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, so EF is equal to GH. And what is the opposite to EH? EH is opposite to GF. So these 2 sides are equal and parallel. Understand, Amma? And I am once again recalling. This is a parallelogram shape, and there are 4 sides are there. There are EF, FG, GH and HE. Okay, va? And how many vertices means there are 4 vertices. There are E, F, G, H, and in parallelogram there is no possible for diagonals. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, but what are the opposite sides, ma? EF is opposite to GH. So EF is equal to GH and parallel. Okay, ba? And EF is equal to GF because the both sides are opposite. And these two sides also parallel in size. Okay, wow. What is the example of parallelogram in eraser? Okay, that's all. Okay, ma. Now that's all. Now we are seeing about the quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus and parallelogram. Now exercise 1.2. Okay, wow. All closed 4 sides figures are called what, ma? Okay, all closed 4 sides means that is called, very good, quadrilateral. Okay, va? So write down the quadrilateral here. Okay, the first one is all closed 4 sides means that is called quadrilateral. So first answer quadrilateral. The second question, a dash has 4 equal sides and equal diagonals. That is square. Isn't it? No, the square having 4 equal sides and equal diagonals. Okay. The next one, opposite sides are equal means rectangle. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Okay, dash having no sides. No sides means circle because circle is curved surface. So circle answer. Diagonals are equal in dash and dash. Diagonals are equal in which shape, ma? Square and rectangle. Okay, va? Write the name of the sides and diagonals. In before page itself, I am explaining how to count the sides and diagonals. Isn't it? No? Like the same way, we want to identify the sides and diagonals, ma. This is your homework. Okay. Okay, the first one is square, rectangle, and this is a parallelogram, and this is rhombus. First one, first question I am done for you. Okay, va? Sides are. So how many sides are there, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are they, ma? In first line, you want to write the name of the sides. AB, comma, BC, comma, CD, comma, DA. That's all. Easy, yeah? Now diagonals. Diagonals means opposite. A line joining opposite corner. Okay, wow? That is A is opposite to C. So this is one diagonals. This is one diagonals. What? The first diagonals is what, ma? AC. So AC, comma. Second diagonals is BD. Like the same way you want to count this. You want to done the 3 questions. Okay, wow? Thank you, ma. This is your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt means ask to me. I will clarify in your next class. Okay, thank you, ma.